think the way I see it is for students in, let's say, classes 8 to 12 who are thinking about which field of study to pursue and all of it. It's important to kind of recognize that this is a very common and a natural concern at this stage of your academic journey. Okay. I'd say that just take comfort in knowing that you're absolutely not alone in feeling uncertain. And it's perfectly normal to kind of experience some level of indecision. Okay. However, if you see it the other way around, this particular period actually gives you a very valuable opportunity to enter a self exploration and self discovery phase. Okay, so I suggest start by reflecting on your interest, your hobbies, your strengths. Think about subjects that you find most engaging and enjoyable, of course, as well as find out what are certain extracurricular activities or hobbies that truly brings out that spark of curiosity in you. And of course, most importantly, keep a very open mind. Be willing to explore new interests, new opportunities that come your way, specifically the 9 to 11, 12 graders, and also take advantage of the resources that are available to you. Let's say like the career assessments, okay, the personality test, and find out through those tests about your aptitude, about your preferences in certain fields and so on. See if you can actually explore different career options by researching about those career fields, talking to professionals from those fields, talking to university professors, attend a lot of career fairs, attend certain workshops of those particular subject areas that interest you. And of course, don't be afraid to kind of ask questions and see if you can gather as much of information as possible that actually kind of help you, that actually helps you, make the right informed decision. And I think it's also very important to remember that choosing a field of study or a career is definitely not a one-time decision, right? So your interests, your goals may really evolve over time, and I say this with my own personal experience. And it's absolutely okay to change your mind or or kind of explore different paths as you move ahead in your professional journey, in your academic journey, and all of it. But yes, what is very important is that you should keep an open mind, and like I said earlier, just embrace the journey of self discovery and exploration. Trust yourself, be patient with yourself, with the process, in fact. And remember that ultimately, the most fulfilling career path is the one that aligns with your passion, your values, and for sure, your aspirations. So, yeah, that's how I see things. And that's my absolute go-to advice for young minds like you. And yes, I'd like to also utilize this platform to send in my best wishes to all students currently writing their exams. And remember that while exams are supremely important, your potential extends far beyond them. So stay calm, trust your preparation, and believe in yourself. Yeah.
Thank you so much,